Ever wondered if you could hack your body to become smarter, stronger, and healthier? What if I told you that with a few simple tweaks, you could boost your energy, focus, and even longevity? But here's the catch. Not all biohacks are created equal. Some are safe, science-backed, and life-changing, while others, well, they're just plain dangerous. Today we're diving into the world of DIY biohacking, what works, what doesn't, and what could literally land you in the ER. Stick around because this could change your life, or save it. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the Biohack Vault channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. What is biohacking? First things first, what is biohacking? At its core, biohacking is the art and science of optimizing your body and mind. It's about taking control of your biology using tools, tech, and lifestyle changes. Think of it as being the CEO of your own health. But here's the thing, biohacking isn't one size fits all. What works for one person might not work for another, and some methods are riskier than others. So let's break it down into two categories, safe hacks and dangerous experiments. Safe hacks are backed by science, easy to implement, and have minimal risks. Dangerous experiments, on the other hand, often involve unproven methods, extreme measures, and potential harm. So let's start with the good stuff, the safe hacks you can try today. Safe biohacks you can try today. Let's start with the foundation of biohacking. Nutrition. No amount of biohacking can compensate for a poor diet, so optimizing what you eat is crucial. One of the most accessible and impactful biohacks is intermittent fasting. By allowing your body a break from constant digestion, intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, enhance brain function, and even trigger cellular repair processes like autophagy. If you're new to fasting, begin with a 12-hour window, say from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., and gradually extend it to 14 or 16 hours as your body adapts. This approach is flexible and can be tailored to fit your lifestyle, making it a sustainable way to reap significant health benefits. Another powerful yet simple biohack is cold exposure. Whether it's a cold shower, an ice bath, or even a quick dip in a chilly lake, cold therapy has been shown to reduce inflammation, elevate mood, and even boost metabolism by activating brown fat. Start small. Try ending your regular shower with 30 seconds of cold water, and gradually increase the duration as your tolerance builds. Over time, you'll likely notice improved energy levels and resilience to stress. Red light therapy is another game changer in the biohacking world. This non-invasive treatment uses specific wavelengths of light to penetrate the skin, promoting cellular repair, reducing inflammation, and even speeding up muscle recovery. It's also been shown to improve skin health, reducing wrinkles, and enhancing collagen production. Handheld red light devices are widely available and easy to use at home, making this a convenient addition to your biohacking toolkit. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines to maximize benefits and avoid overuse. Lastly, don't overlook the profound impact of mindfulness and journaling. These practices are cost-free, easy to implement, and incredibly effective for reducing stress, sharpening focus, and even boosting immune function. Dedicate just 10 minutes a day to journaling your thoughts, reflecting on your goals, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Over time, these small habits can lead to significant improvements in mental clarity, emotional resilience, and overall well-being. By integrating these safe and proven biohacks into your routine, you can optimize your health and performance without unnecessary risks. Remember, biohacking is about working smarter, not harder, so start small, stay consistent, and always prioritize your body's signals. The gray area. Biohacks that require caution. Now, let's dive into the gray areas of biohacking, practices that can offer benefits but demand caution. First, consider supplements. While staples like omega-3s, vitamin D, and magnesium are generally safe and well-researched, others such as nootropics or performance enhancers come with risks. These can cause side effects or interact with medications, potentially harming your health. Always consult a healthcare professional before introducing new supplements into your routine. They can help you navigate potential risks and ensure compatibility with your unique physiology. Next, genetic testing. Companies like 23andMe provide fascinating insights into your DNA, but interpreting this data requires care. Just because you carry a gene associated with a higher risk for a condition doesn't mean it's inevitable. Genetics is only one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle, environment, and other factors play significant roles. Use genetic information as a tool for awareness and proactive health management, not as a deterministic blueprint for your future. Finally, the quantified self movement, tracking every aspect of your life through wearables and apps. While monitoring metrics like sleep, activity, and heart rate can be empowering, it can also lead to obsession and anxiety. The goal of biohacking is optimization, not perfection. Strive for balance, and remember that data is a guide, not a mandate. By approaching these gray areas thoughtfully, you can harness their potential while minimizing risks. Dangerous biohacking experiments to avoid. When it comes to biohacking, not all practices are created equal. Some can be downright dangerous and should be avoided at all costs. At the top of the list is DIY gene editing. While the idea of tweaking your DNA at home might sound futuristic and exciting, it's a high-risk endeavor with potentially catastrophic consequences. Unless you're a trained geneticist, attempting to modify your genes using at-home kits could lead to harmful mutations, cellular damage, or unintended long-term effects. The science of gene editing is still in its infancy, and even experts approach it with extreme caution. Another risky trend is unregulated stem cell treatments. While stem cells hold immense promise for regenerative medicine, clinics offering unproven or experimental therapies often operate without proper oversight. These treatments can lead to serious complications, including infections, immune system rejection, or even the development of cancerous cells. Always seek out FDA-approved therapies and consult with qualified medical professionals to ensure your safety. Lastly, self-prescribing experimental drugs is a gamble you don't want to take. Just because a substance is trending in online forums or hailed as a miracle cure doesn't mean it's safe or effective. Without proper medical supervision, you risk severe side effects, adverse reactions, or long-term health damage. Biohacking should empower you, not endanger you, so steer clear of these reckless practices and prioritize evidence-based, supervised approaches to optimizing your health. How to biohack responsibly. To biohack responsibly, begin with thorough research. Rely on peer-reviewed studies and credible sources to ensure the methods you consider are scientifically validated. Start small. Avoid diving into extreme measures immediately. Gradual implementation allows you to gauge your body's response and minimize risks. Most importantly, listen to your body. If something feels off, pause and reassess. Your well-being is the priority. Biohacking should enhance your life, not endanger it. By prioritizing safe, evidence-based practices, you can optimize your physical and mental performance without compromising your health. Responsible biohacking is about balance, pushing boundaries while respecting your body's limits. With a mindful approach, you can unlock your potential sustainably and safely. Alright guys, that's it for today's deep dive into DIY biohacking. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's curious about optimizing their health. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more videos on health, wellness, and cutting-edge science coming your way. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite biohack? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and remember, hack smart, not hard. See you in the next video.